Hello people, welcome back into this channel, and today I would like to show you the way how you can add your own audio into the TikTok application. You just need to open the TikTok applications on your mobile phone, and the next thing you need to do is just go click this middle part or content sections, this plus button symbol, tap it, and you will have an access into the TikTok camera. The next thing you need to do is just go take a look on this top side here. There will be like add sound, just tap it, and you just need to go click the search button right away. Now the next thing you need to do is just go click this discover more sounds, and in this line there will be like an option about your sounds. Just go tap it, and now there will be two options pop up. You will have a choice to import the sound from the video of your photo library inside your phone, or you can also get from import local sounds, which mean that the music that you already have on your device. But today I will show you the way how to add from the sound of the video. Just go tap it, and they will bring you into your photo library, and then you just need to tap the audio that you want to extract. Right after that, go import sound from video, and you will have this option. Now you just need to tap it, go click this checklist button to use it. And you already have the sound. Now you're just ready to record your video here. Then this video will have the sounds that you just imported into the TikTok. Let's check. Now you just need to go click next, and this content is ready to post. So that is the way how you can add your own music on the TikTok application. Hopefully you enjoy this, and let's move again into other tutorial.